The basis for getting more inquiries at your school is getting more people to visit your website. And in this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step what my process is so that you can follow along and get similar results. So let's jump right in. Being at the top of a search result is called search engine optimization, or SEO. And there's two categories of SEO. There's on-site SEO and off-site SEO. On-site means things that you do to your own website, and off-site means things that you do on other people's websites. So for on-site SEO, things you're doing to your own website, the main thing is you want to have a separate page for each part of your program. So for example, if you have preschool, elementary, junior high, high school, you want to have your own dedicated page for this. And then what Google's going to do is going to look at the page title and then whatever is the heading here. Because someone might type on the internet, elementary school near me. So this is a keyword. So having that as a page title and as a separate web page. So this one is good because they have separate page titles. What would be better is if they actually had separate web pages for each of their programs. And that would make it easier for Google to create a search result from that. When we're looking at off-site SEO, it's really just putting your name out there in the right places. So when someone types on the internet, private school near me, they're going to see a search result that has 3 things that are off-site. So the first one is an ad. So here you can see the first one. This is a Google ad and it's kind of integrated to look like just one of the normal search results, but they've paid to be here at the top. The next section is 3 listings from a map. And so this is relevant because we're always looking for schools near us. These came from Google Maps. The way you get on Google Maps is by going to Google My Business or Google Business account. And the next thing we're going to see is review sites. So we've got private school review, niche, Yelp. If I scroll down further, I'll see just more and more review sites that I can be on. In the next video, I'm going to go ahead and dive deeper into how you work through each one of these. I'll see you there.